2025 Home and Kitchen Color Trends. Modern, minimalist, luxurious, and elegant hues for interior. Stepping into 2025. You are greeted by a fresh and inspiring color palette designed to transform your home into a sanctuary of elegance, comfort, and modernity. This year, the interior design world embraces a delicate fusion of modern minimalist tones with luxurious and timeless hues, crafting spaces that are both sophisticated and inviting. The new trends offer a spectrum of choices from soft neutrals that evoke relaxation and tranquility to bold statement colors that enhance focal points of decor, providing an opportunity to elevate every corner of your home and kitchen. Whether you are drawn to the warmth of earthy tones or the calming effect of cool blues and grays, the 2025 color trends bring a harmonious blend of beauty and refined allure to your interiors. Luxury and elegance lay the groundwork for these trends. With carefully curated hues that highlight natural textures and refined materials, deep jewel tones such as emerald green and sapphire blue introduce depth and character to your environment. At the same time, creamy whites and soft beiges offer a timeless backdrop, allowing decorative accents to shine. Complementing these colors with sleek metallic finishes or natural wooden elements can create a modern interior that exudes effortless style and grace. A thoughtful approach to color coordination can significantly enhance lighting aesthetics, ensuring that your home feels inviting, cozy, and visually appealing throughout the day and evening. In 2025, the kitchen, often considered the heart of the home, evolves into a vibrant canvas where personal style meets functionality. More than just a space for culinary activities, the kitchen becomes a gathering place filled with warmth and personality. Trending shades like rich terracotta, muted sage, or deep charcoal can imbue the space with depth and sophistication, setting the stage for intimate family moments and lively gatherings. Incorporating seasonal decor elements and textured furnishings not only adds dimension but ensures that your kitchen remains timeless while staying on trend. Whether you lean towards a sleek monochromatic look or prefer the dynamic interplay of contrasting colors, the 2025 color palette allows you to express your personal style while maintaining an atmosphere that's both welcoming and aesthetically pleasing. Through these carefully selected hues, your home transcends mere function, becoming a testament to your personal expression and design sensibility, a place where elegant design and heartfelt memories coexist seamlessly.